It's Dagmay Abate. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your user and admin D-Link Wi-Fi router's password and your network password. So let's get to it. So first I have to show you what you are going to type in your web browser, which is if you are using a D-Link router, the IP address for your D-Link router should be 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. So mine is the first one. You can get yours at the back of your D-Link router. So I'm gonna copy the first one. Then I'm gonna go to my favorite web browser. Then I'm gonna paste here. After I paste it here, I'm gonna click go. Then it will take me to the login page of the D-Link Wi-Fi router. If you didn't change your admin password or your user password, there is two users. The first one is admin, the second one is user. In admin there is some privilege in user which in user you can't do. If you are admin, you can do some things which you can do if you are users. So if you didn't change the password, the default password for your admin and your user should be username. Let's type username first. For username, admin and user. Password will be if you are admin, the password, if you didn't change it, will be admin. If you are user, the password will be also user. Let's make some space here. Okay, so I have changed the password. If you want to know how to change the password, I'm going to show you now, but you have to log in by typing admin first here. You are going to type admin here. Admin. You're gonna have to type admin, but as I told you, I have changed the password. So I'm gonna type the password which I have changed, which is 1 up to 8. Then I'm gonna log into the home page of the D-Link Wi-Fi router. Then after I got into the login is the home page, I'm gonna go with maintenance. Then there in the left corner there is an option which says password. I'm gonna go there. So as you can see, there is two privileges, with the level privilege and with there is a combo box also, user, and there is also an root privilege is for admin, user privilege is for user, and at the bottom there is a radio button which only allows you to select one option, with username admin and with username user, privilege root for admin and privilege user for user. First I'm going to show you how to change the user, the admin's password. So I have selected the admin in the radio button. Then as you can see, the privileged have changed from the user to the root. Then the username has selected to admin. Then I'm going to type the old password. I'm going to type the password which I have entered when I was logging to this home page. Then this is the new password I want it to be changed to. So I'm gonna enter 8 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I have to confirm the password, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then I'm gonna click modify button. Then it will change the password of the admin. Okay, then if you want to change the user's password also, you will select the radio button with the user. Then after you have selected, as you can see, the username changed to user, privilege changed to user, old password for the user for mine is 8 zeros, so I'm gonna enter 8 zeros. So after I entered 8 zeros, the new password I want it to be 1 up to 8, and I have to confirm the password, so I'm gonna type it again. Then I'm gonna hit modify. Then it will change the user's password also. If you want to check that I have changed the user and the admin password, let's log out and re-enter. So 192, 168, 1.1. Then let's type for the admin. I have changed to 80, so I'm gonna type 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm gonna click login. Then it will log into the homepage of D-Link Wi-Fi router. The same for the user. I'm gonna go to the D-Link Wi-Fi router IP address, my D-Link Wi-Fi router IP address. Then I'm gonna select the user. After I have selected the user, I'm gonna type the password which I have changed, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm gonna hit login. So as you can see, I have changed the user and admin password for your D-Link Wi-Fi router. If you want to change the passwords for your network, so you are going to go to the setup, which is by default selected. Then you go to the wireless setup, you hold the wireless setup. After you hold it, there are two options, which is the first one is wireless basic, the second one is wireless security. I'm going to select wireless security. After I have selected wireless security, as you can see, I can change my network's password. As you can see, there is a label which says pre-shared key, and there is a text box which allows me to change the password of my network which I'm using right now, my Wi-Fi network which I'm using right now. You can change your Wi-Fi network's password by logging as a user or as your admin, but you can only change your admin and user password if you are only admin, if you have only root privilege. So I'm gonna type the new password, which is 1 up to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm gonna click the apply changes button. Then it will change the password to 1 up to 8, but I have to wait for like 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, after it count down to 20 seconds, it will change the password. So after it has changed the password for my Wi-Fi network, if I want to connect to that network, I'm gonna have to enter the password that I have changed. So I'm gonna go to my Wi-Fi. After I go to my Wi-Fi, as you can see, I am not connected to this network. If I try to connect, I will not be able to connect to it. It asks me to enter a password, so I'm gonna enter the password which I have changed, which is 1 up to 8. Then I will try to connect. Then it will automatically connect, and I can enjoy using my Wi-Fi. This is how you can change your D-Link Wi-Fi router admin password and user password and your Wi-Fi network password. Thanks for watching my video. I would really appreciate it if you like this video and share it, and please subscribe. And after you have subscribed, please hit the bell icon so that YouTube can notify you when I'm uploading new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.